Alright folks, so today I'll be I'll be replacing my side mirrors on the passenger side. And that'll be the replacement. I got it off of eBay for like 80 bucks. Off of someone who was selling it off of another vehicle. And the reason what happened to this was some driver came by and ran into the side of my mirrors. By the time I came out, it was like that. So it just came out to. So I'm just going to be replacing this. So what you would need to do is take off these two plastics, which there will be these right here. You either need a flathead or those plastic panel removal. And then after that, then this is the hard part. Is where you have to take this part off. Well, this part off. You wouldn't need to take off the door panel. The only thing that you need to take off is just this part right here, which is the stereo. Let me set this up. Here we go. We gotta find room. Hang on. This guy. So I just wanted to show you this is how it looks. That plastic right here is connected to that white circle, so that's the entry point right there. So you're supposed to take this part off, and then there's a little, I don't know what is it called, but it's like a hinge or it's like something that holds onto this part. So you just gotta pry this part out, pull this part out, pull the door panel back. Pull this part up. Do that again. So pull as hard as you can, and then pull up, or else try squeezing it out from the sides like that. There we go. Okay, so you got a wire right here. You gotta keep it safe. And then from there, then this will be a 10mm. They're actually very easy to take off, but so you don't necessarily need to, like, you know. Alright, then next comes to this part. As you can see, it's the electric, it's what plugs in so that your mirror works. I can get a view. There it is, this part right here. That's what you need to take out. So since I have the extra spare with me, you can see from here that there's no way to open it from the back or the side, but at the front right here, this little piece right here, you can push this thing in, it should be able to open. You can see that the black piece on the side, so you can see that it's just right there. So you just gotta pry this part open. So this is what we're gonna do. So we're just going to pry this part right here. Just open it, just pull it up. See if I can do this recording it. I'm just gonna be using a flathead. Should be able to do it. So we pry it up right there. And then there you go. Just like that. We don't need to take out the door panel. So now we got it loose. Got it out. All we gotta do is just wriggle this part up. And here we go. Oh, stuck. Okay, there you go. Just had to rotate it. There you go. No door panel taken off. So put this to the side. And we'll put in the new one in. So, this actually comes with its own screws. So, yeah, take these off first. It comes with its own screws. Oh, I guess they're already loose. But it doesn't come with the, I guess it came with 2, but not 3. It's okay, no matter. We got extra spares. So we're just gonna install this back in, just like that. Make sure it goes in. Nice and smooth. Don't cut the wires. So again, we're gonna be looking at the black piece right here, the positive, negative. And then we're just going to plug in the way it was plugged in earlier. So before I do that, I want to make sure that all these get fit in. And I want to make sure that where these screws that will be going in goes into the hole first, nice and fit. After that, then I'll be plugging in this thing. If you guys can see it. I'll be plugging it in. But for safety measures, I'm just going to let's see if I can get it the way it was earlier. There you go. Just going to put a few of them in so that they stay locked. That way they don't move, and I can use 2 hands and record at the same time. All right, that's nice and tight. Nice and tight. All right. So we're going to put this one in right here, back into the slot. Set it in there, just like that. If you can push it in, go ahead, push it in. If not, then use another flathead. And just don't damage the wires, but do it on the side that, you know, that doesn't have the wires in. There you go. Once you hear that click, you're good. And then you just reassemble everything back in again. So right here, and then you see I have some extra bolts up here, so I might just save them for whatever else use I have. Put them back in, screw it in. Make sure it's hand tight, and then try to tighten it up. Pretty sure we're not supposed to do it too tight. That should be good. Okay, tighten up. And again, not too tight. Ooh, this one, I think I have to go over here. Because that one should be good. And then you just put everything back in together. Again, So this, make sure the wires are good. Make sure that it goes back into that same hole again, right there. That piece back in the same hole. So I'm going to do that. Okay. So you want this part back in the latch again. You want to reverse what we did. Pull as hard as you can. Sure it fits inside. Alright. Woo! Pound these in because, you know, they're all connected. And then, where those, looking for the black pieces, I have one right here. Just connect them all in. Once more. One. The second one I dropped. Let me see if I can grab it. No, I can't. Alright. Well, I dropped it underneath the car. It's in the middle. But that's how you set it up. Put that one in later, but that's how you replace the side mirrors. Or take it off. Alright, and one thing I forgot to do is to check if the side mirrors work. Alright, so the button is right here. Right. Here we go. Left. Right. It works. Up. Down. Left. Right. Down. Right. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, folks. Subscribe, comment, leave a thumbs up if you guys like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day now.